Hi everyone, welcome back to Computer Education for Kids. So today we are going to see some important apps which are used in Windows 10. The simple basic apps in Windows 10. Let's look into that. In Windows 10 we have many inbuilt apps like Photos, then Maps, Calendar, all these are inbuilt in Windows 10. For example, in your phone you have certain inbuilt apps like Calendar, Photos, Maps, right? Similarly, in Windows 10 we have some inbuilt apps. Among them, I'm going to teach you today Weather and Mail app. So first one is Weather. This is a picture of Weather app. When you click on the app will be opened like this. So what is the use of weather app? It will provide us minimum and maximum temperature of any location which you select. For example, now I want to know the temperature of our location. So I'll select the location. It will show us the minimum and maximum temperature what our location can hold. And also it will show us weather forecast, like what will be the weather condition tomorrow, day after tomorrow for upcoming few days. This is the use of weather app. So the weather app will look like this. When you open it, it will show us the minimum and the maximum temperature of the location which is selected by us. It will display the weather forecast for upcoming days, what will be the weather condition. Next is Mail. This is a picture of the Mail app. In Mail app, what is it used for? It is used to manage all our mail accounts in one place. For example, if I'm having a Gmail account and a Yahoo account, I have two mails, right? If I have to manage both the accounts in a single system, I can use this Mail app. So what will happen? It will show us the notification. Whenever I'm getting any mails in the inbox, it will show me a notification that I have got a mail. I can open it, I can read it, and I can send a reply back to the sender using the same Mail app. But one condition is that you should have a account. You should sign up with your account. You should have a mail ID and a password to use this Mail app. So what is the use of Mail app? It will help us to manage all our mail accounts in one place. And whenever we get some mails, we will get a notification. We can read mails and we can respond to the sender. Also, you should have a mail account for this, for using this app. The next portion what we are going to see today is Think and Answer. The Think and Answer portion is from the previous classes. So name any 4 icons that you use. First one, Internet Explorer. Second one, Network. Third one, you can mark it as shortcut icons. And fourth one, you can write it as this PC. Any other icons which you're using, you can write that as well. Photos app. This is a picture of Photos app. In your phone, you will have a Photos app, right? What is it used for? It will collect all the photos and videos from your computer and you can organize them. You will have different albums in your phone, right? Similarly, in Photos app in Windows 10, it is also used for collecting all the photos and videos from the PC and will organize them in a good or arrange them in a proper manner. The next app what we are going to see today is Alarms and Clock. What is it used for? It will show us the local time of the current location. For example, now I am in India. So it will show the time of our location. If you are outside India, it will show the time of that particular location. For that, you have to connect the computer to a internet. You can also set the time and use a stopwatch. Even you can set the alarm clock. For example, if you want to set any alarm for any meeting or if you want to set any alarm morning, you can do it in the computer using Windows 10 app, that is Alarms and Clock app in Windows 10. Let's have a quick summarization on Windows 10 apps. First one is Weather. It will show us the minimum and maximum temperature of the location which we select and weather forecast of upcoming days. Next one is Mail. Mail app will help us to manage all our mail accounts in one place. Just we want a mail ID to sign in, we can respond to the mail which we receive. Third one is Photos. We can collect all the photos and videos from our PC or computer and we can organize them properly. Last one is Alarms and Clock. It will display the local time of the current location and we can also set the time and stopwatch. It will also allow us to set the alarm. Discuss and learn part. Here you have a question, that is, which 2 apps can be of help to you in Windows 10? According to me, for me, Mail app and Photos app, I'll be using it more. For you, it will be a different app. So which are the two apps which is very useful for you in Windows 10? You can mention any of the two apps. The next part is brainstorm part. Question is, which app will you use to see weather forecast? Which is that app? It is weather app. It will show you the weather forecast of the upcoming few days. For example, a week weather forecast. Thank you so much for watching. I hope the information was very useful. Before leaving, let me remind you to subscribe my channel and hit on the like button if you like my presentation. Share with your friends as well. See you in next upload with another bunch of information.